You want something to drink? You want a dragon?
No. I don't want nothing for drink now. I have Destiny with me.
Destiny day here?
Yeah.
What should they?
She in the car.
Then go for her, no, you have her in the car for.
Because I come from look out and see what I'm going
Go
to
for
do.
her, you can't leave her in the car alone, whisper.
Alright, I'll go for it.
Seven missed call? Oh boy. I'm glad I never missed a money to that call. Hi, Destiny.
Hello.
You and Daddy apart today?
Yeah, something like that.
What do you mean something like that?
Well, I am on suspension.
You dey on suspension? What should I on suspension for?
Why you ask me?
I offer that again.
What I say is, me can't explain. You have to ask she.
Destiny, why you dey on suspension?
Let me tell you what happened. My day at school, right? And this little girl, she and one little boy a fight. And them they right near me a fight, right? And me I do my work as circle later. Lunchtime come, make me go downstairs and go wash your hand. But come up back as they never finish. And shoot me right the way I let her so stir some rub it out. Some rub it out and fix it. And then me I finish my letter. This little girl start back and she want next to go buy a fight and two of them beat her. So she go downstairs at the office and she says Shonil and Chadwick and me. I will go down at the office, I will get the suspension, I will go back to class, I say, Amara, tell the truth, I lick you. She said no. That's why I get suspension.
I have to explain to you.
You want a soap a drink?
Water, please.
Alright, a buckle of water coming right up. Here you go.
Thank you.
Welcome.
You can get a charger for charging phone, please.
Miss.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Daddy, you can watch YouTube, please?
Remember saying what was in there? So you have to ask her, you afraid?
Tonyan, we can watch YouTube, please?
Sure. Come.
Thank you.
Why?
Sit right here. Watch anything they want. So what happened at school now?
She basically tell you what me, you know. But what they must say is that she get blamed. So she did involved in the gang where the little girl get. So you hear say a 2 boy and 1 girl, which is she. So the 3 of them name called upon it and that go down at the office. Once that reach at the office and paper right, it can't undo.
So she not get a chance to explain herself?
She says she try explain her, but the principal I tell her to shut up.
And that I can't take with them teacher, you know. It's true because a little pitney, they feel like them can cow them down.
More than that still. You see, because she did involve in the thing there with the little girl was there when she did step in her girl chest. Maybe that's why them jump and quick for believe say she did involve for true. So now you understand why me did I go up so strong against this thing. Me no want her in another like this. So at that way that them a see her now. And what me I gonna do? It don't happen already.
I understand what you're saying now. I'm sorry if you encourage the fighting thing.
Me just want you to learn how to talk out things. You see, most things can resolve easily, you know. You can just ask what happened and then you will hear what happened and you choose what you want to do after that. But you can't just react. So remember, you know, the first thing she do after the girl get up and face her is thump her in her face. So it's like she not get her the first chance to move to her.
Oh, for real. She need to learn how to reason out things for true.
The thing that bother me right now is the fact that she have exam Monday. So now is revision time. That's why me have to do home with her and I go through with her. Because if me go away, then how she gonna do the revision and me I go guarantee say she do the revision.
So I'm to Patsy. In a hear from her.
You look like she's still up in her feelings, sir. So me just there do what me have to do, you know.
That's sad though. I think she didn't really care.
She care enough for her own way. I can't forget what she did say to me. She said, if I grow and pick me by myself.
Oh boy. I feel like she'll leave you in your time of need.
Yeah. Go home for them. I'm a youth, you know, so I have to do that for her. So, you never tell me say quick you there. How we not see him?
Him have a doctor's appointment. Him gone check up on him, you know, in progress. Pruny carry him gone, carry him there at work, and me just a come off of my assignment.
So, how it go?
I walk up and down in his son, I go all the places where them grab phone. So me put on my phone and start the TikTok. I'm gonna see nobody, I'm gonna see nobody grab the phone. So I just continue the TikTok.
So, what's Celine did there?
What kind of switch role today? She just shot at me.
What? Not about at all. You never see yourself in a position where you and Celine are work on the same apps and so close.
No. Mama tell you what me used to say. Me used to see my face in a silly face and she left on the ground me the over her and punch her up.
I'm sure say maybe she did say the same thing, but the opposite. She a punch up your face.
But just to tell you though, my face is not easy for punch up.
Well, I'm glad you not go down that road there, so I'm not going to find out.
But not gonna lie still. She cool. She easy for work with. She don't give me no trouble.
There's something about her though. I look a mysterious thing about her. Yeah.
I kinda see it too, you know. But I guess it's our experience. And I hope me not go so deep.
You mean like if you have to sleep with somebody to get information from them?
Yeah.
But you know, say, if it come to that, you have to make a decision.
Well, if it have to save life, I guess. But I nah wish for that soon.
You remember such man?
Oh, Majors?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was close.
Close, I call it. You were very close to him, yeah.
Whisper, you didn't have to sleep with somebody to get a job done?
You really want to go down that road there?
Oh, Patsy.
Watch out. I'm not tell you I go down that road and you're still going down there.
You check for her, not true?
Honestly, yes.
Know yourself, my brother. People come and people go. You're gonna find somebody with mean you and your daughter could.